Hi, it's Shiy with Wiggle Room doing a Wednesday wiggle review for this Gurin something, Gurin compact dehumidifier. This is a really nice little tiny humidifier. It is very compact and it's quiet. It does have a little bit of a rumble to it, but it is completely white noise. Like, it's so soft and so delicate that it's more like a fan on in your room, which I actually love white noise, so it doesn't bother me at all. This is a dehumidifier, so what it does is it takes the moisture from the room out of the room and puts back dry air. Now that I live in California, there's really no need for a dehumidifier unless you have a crawl space or a basement that might keep the moisture in there. So that's where this would be a good place to put for where I'm living currently. That's what I would use it for. But I don't have, in my house, I don't have a crawl space or a basement that would use this. What I do have is my bathroom. In my room, does not have a fan in there. It has a window, and the window, when it opens, my next door neighbor's dog, excuse me, barks all day long. So I keep the window shut because it's just he is so loud that even with my window shut, I can still hear him like he's right next room. So what I decided to try this with is in my bathroom to keep the humidity down in there, especially when showering and everything. See how it really works in a moisture situation here in California. So this is the unit itself. As you can see, it is pretty small. It is no bigger than, barely bigger than my hands. And it has the ability to hold 16 ounces of water in here, which is actually surprisingly a large amount of water for a little tiny compact dehumidifier. It is, on average, they say about 8 ounces a day, but because I'm just doing it in my bathroom and it didn't really fill up that much in a day. It was way less than half full. So I could probably keep this in there for about a week before I have to empty out this, and it just comes right off, and then you just dump the water right out of it. So these are a couple of the features that it has. It has this nice little on-off switch, very simple to use, on, off. When it is plugged in, this little light here will turn green when you turn it on, and it'll turn off when it's off. This light here lets you know when it is a full tank. It'll turn yellow. So all of the air goes in through here. All of that moist air will go in through this vent here, and then it takes all the water out, deposits it in there, and then up here at the top it shoots out that dry air back into the air for you, so you have gotten rid of that humidity. It's pretty sturdy. I'm very surprised by this whole product and how well it worked. It has these sturdy little rubber feet on the bottom here, which is really nice. And then on the back, it has this plug outlet here. So you plug the outlet here, and then you plug it into the wall. I left it in the bathroom, so I don't have the plug with me, but you know what a plug looks like. And it goes right there in the back, so that it's really compact. The cord is long enough. You can put it up on a shelf if you needed to. This one just sat there on my floor and sucked up some of that shower moisture up there. And it worked really well. I'm really surprised. Now, I've only used it for about a week, but so far it's worked pretty well, and I'm very impressed by it. And so when you want to take the tank off, you would just, this is the part that would come off down here, and you would just pull it right out. And then you just dump it. Put it back in. Voila, that's simple. Very, very easy. And it's very simple to take in and out. Here is the filter, so if you need to clean this, because it gets, you know, gooky in there, or hard water if you want to clean that out. right here, very easy to clean the dehumidifier part out and put it back in. Very simple. It is a really nice little compact, and it's stylish. I mean, you could put that in any decor that you really want. I mean, unless you don't like the color of this type of white, but it's really cute. I enjoy it so far. I'm going to keep using it. You can put it in a closet, just about anywhere, because it's so tiny and compact. And that's my opinions on it. If you've tried this out, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you've tried different ones, let me know about those. Let me know what you think down in the comments. That's all I have for you today. And remember, just keep wiggling. Thanks. Bye.